Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to share AppSheet app. So the very first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for AppSheet, and you have to sign up for an account. Okay, so as you can see right here, I already logged in. So yeah, using the search bar, you just have to search for AppSheet, and then just click on the first result. Okay, so this one. So when you click on this one, you'd be directed to a page where you have to sign up. So just click on the get started option. Then after that, you can now sign in to your account. Okay. And then right here, what we are going to do is we are going to create a new app and we are going to share it. So yeah, as you can see, I have so many apps right here and some of the apps are deployed. So if you want to delete one app or copy, just click on the three dots at the right side. Now click on the create option at the top left of your screen, and then you can start with existing data with a template or a blank app. So I'm just going to use a template for this one. And as you can see right here, we have so many templates that we can use. Okay, and then after that, just click on the copy and customize this template. Okay, so this one right here, I think this template is good, so I am going to copy and customize this one. Next thing that you should do is you just have to copy the app, so just simply click on the copy app option. Okay, that's right. Then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now the preview of your app at the right side of your screen. And now go to the security section. And right here we have the require sign in option. So of course, control who can access the app. So require user sign in. It is very important to toggle the switch on for this one. Okay. And then after that, you have the wording right here if you're going to switch that off. So of course, if you are very strict with your app, you have to toggle the switch on for this one. And for the authentication provider, I am going to choose Google. And then if you want to allow all sign-in users, so if this option is enabled, there is no need for a user list. Enable the option when you do not need to restrict access to a specific list of users, but you can still want to access user-specific information like their email or use personalization features like security filters or private tables. So all sign-in users can access my app. So we have to toggle the switch off for this one because we don't want that. Now, if you want to allow users or allow this app to be public, so you have to toggle the switch on. Here, just click on the manage users after finalizing those options. And here you can add their emails or domains. You can also click on the share link option. So you have the install on mobile, open in browser, and edit the app. So just have to copy these links and you have to send it to your teammate. Okay, so just click on done after that. And you also have the option right here at the right side, I mean at the top right of your screen, the share option. So this icon right here beside the undo button. Okay, so let me just save this one. After saving it, you can also click on this icon at the top. Okay, so this one, as you can see, you can then access the links right here. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.